Did you know you can actually uncover the hidden history of any property in Onondaga County without spending a single dime? Well, in today's Explainer, we're going to teach you exactly how to navigate local municipal databases like a total digital detective. If you've ever wanted to pull back the curtain on a real estate listing, verify a tax assessment, or even trace the history of a century-old home, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're turning you into an expert on local property records. It is completely true. The archives in Onondaga County actually go all the way back to 1794, which is when the new military tract was first settled. I mean, just imagine the fascinating stories hiding behind every brick and beam in your neighborhood, just waiting for someone to discover them. And the best part? A massive chunk of this data is fully digitized now, and getting your hands on it is completely free as long as you know exactly where to look. So here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with why you should search property records. Then, navigating the dual system. After that, conducting a basic search. Then we'll get into analyzing your property data, followed by advanced tools and history, and finally, troubleshooting and pro tips. All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Why Search Property Records. Listen to this. Right now, 67% of houses in the county are selling above list price, and they're going under contract in just 9 days. That means buyers need literally every informational advantage they can get in this crazy competitive market. Plus, with nearly 28% of households in the county being considered cost-burdened, making smart, informed decisions about property and taxes, well, it's just never been more critical. So whether you're an investor looking to avoid a bad deal, a home buyer wanting to verify a tax bill before making an offer, or even a local historian tracing your roots back to the 19th century, accessing these records is the ultimate solution. You can quickly verify lot boundaries, check if the current owner has any active tax exemptions, or just make sure a property title is clean. Moving on to Section 2, Navigating the Dual System. Okay, so Onondaga County uses a bifurcated administrative system. Basically, rather than one single website for everything, you're dealing with two distinct portals. ImageMeet Online, which is managed by Real Property Tax Services, handles all the physical and tax data, things like valuations, square footage, and tax maps. Meanwhile, the eSearch portal, managed by the county clerk through COT systems, is your go-to for the legal documents, like deeds, mortgages, and liens. Honestly, just knowing which system to use is half the battle. Now for Section 3, Conducting a Basic Search. You have to remember that computers are picky, and public databases are exceptionally picky. If you're searching by owner name, you absolutely must drop the comma. Just type last name, first name. If you're using a street address, keep it super simple. Just the street number and name, skipping any suffixes if you can. But for sure, the absolute gold standard for searching is the Tax Map SPL. Now, if you've never heard of an SPL number before, don't sweat it. It just stands for section, block, and lot. It is by far the most reliable way to track a parcel because, unlike a mailing address or an owner's name, the actual geographic sequence of the land doesn't magically change when the property is sold. Think of it like the unique fingerprint of that piece of real estate. So let's put this into practice. Here's a quick step-by-step to pull a deed online using the county clerk's eSearch portal. First, go to the site and click Sign In as Guest. You do not need a paid account just to search. Next, select Land Records, enter your SBL or the owner's name, and filter the document type to Deed. You'll then get a list of results you can easily review by date. And while downloading the actual document image does require a small fee, just viewing this index to confirm the deed exists and checking the transaction date is 100% free. Let's dive into Section 4, Analyzing Your Property Data. When we load up a property card into ImageMeet Online, we instantly unlock this massive treasure trove of structural and financial inventory. You can check the exact square footage, the year the place was built, and highly valuable tax exemption histories, things like STAR or veterans benefits. It even features an automated comparables tool to help you figure out fair market value by looking at similar properties right in that same neighborhood. Now, here is a huge pitfall you want to avoid: treating the entire county exactly the same. The city of Syracuse actually operates as its own distinct entity. It has separate assessment schedules, dedicated tax collection portals, and its own specific parcel search tools. So if you're researching a property inside Syracuse, you'll often need to use city-specific resources, whereas the 19 surrounding towns and 15 villages rely on standardized county assessment timelines, though they do still use their own local municipal tax collectors. While you're digging through all this data, it's pretty helpful to know why it's public in the first place.
New York uses what's called a recorded land system, which brings us to the legal concept of constructive notice. Basically, this means that once a deed, a mortgage, or a lien is officially recorded with the county clerk, the law legally presumes everyone knows about it. You can't buy a property and later claim ignorance of a recorded easement or a lien. You just can't play dumb. That's exactly why running these searches is so crucial.
Next up is Section 5, Advanced Tools and History.
For all the historians and genealogists out there, the property records definitely don't stop at the digital county clerk portal. The local history and genealogy department over at the Onondaga County Public Library offers some absolutely incredible free databases. You can access the 1855 and 1865 New York State censuses or the necrology database, allowing you to trace property ownership and family estates all the way back to the 19th century, which is long before modern street addresses were even a thing.
Also, for those of you who are a bit more visually inclined, the county offers this really cool GIS on the web application. It acts as an interactive mapping portal where you can just click around on parcels to pull up data. But it gets even better. You can use spatial measurement tools to calculate the exact linear distances of lot lines, look at high-resolution historic aerial photography, and you can even export custom property maps into printable PDFs entirely for free. It is such a powerful tool for visualizing the land.
Finally, we've reached Section 6, Troubleshooting and Pro Tips. Okay, here is a fantastic pro tip for anyone who currently owns property in Onondaga County. Go register for property check immediately. Real estate fraud, like someone recording a fake deed or an illegitimate lien against your home, is actually a rising concern nationwide. This utility from the county clerk is completely free, and it instantly texts or emails you the very moment any document is recorded against your name or property. It lets you catch fraud the second it happens. And if you ever find yourself getting stuck during your research, just reference this quick checklist of common mistakes. Don't look for legal deeds on the ImageMate tax assessment website. Remember, that's what the e-search portal is for. Please do not use commas in your name searches. Don't assume the county collects your town taxes, because local collectors actually handle that. And lastly, just keep in mind that while searching the indexes is totally free, downloading the official legal images from the clerk's vendor, COT Systems, will require a small fee.
Before we wrap things up today, I do need to quickly note that while these public databases are incredibly powerful and really democratize access to information, this explainer is strictly educational. It's definitely not a substitute for professional legal, title examination, or surveying advice. Always, always consult with qualified experts before making any major real estate or financial decisions based on property records.
But now, armed with this investigator's playbook, you have absolutely everything you need to start digging. So why not log on today, run a quick search, and ask yourself, what hidden stories and forgotten secrets are just waiting to be unearthed in your own backyard?